We've seen a real inflection point in the availability, prominence, and importance of open source intelligence in a wide range of contexts. Whether it's gaining unprecedented insight into geopolitical conflict or seeing OSINT data take on a really key role in all areas of corporate risk management, more than ever before, open source intel is front and center as a critical resource across the national security, FedCiv, and corporate worlds. With the acquisition of Echosec, which we announced almost a month ago to the day, and Echosec's expertise in social media collections, we're really now able to bring a multi-source 360-degree view of the threat landscape across each of the different intelligence pillars referenced here.
We're taking publicly available information, which in the case of Echosec is social media. We're deciphering facts and meaning, and then we're delivering intelligence that can be acted upon. It's an outcome-driven process, and it is the glue across many intelligence disciplines. Open source intelligence really allows analysts to do two things really well. One is you can fuse publicly available data with proprietary data to better contextualize and understand risk. And the second thing you can do is stay on top of emerging trends and rapidly respond to information directives using unclassified data, which really just allows analysts to derive or deliver and derive insights in an expedited fashion. I should point out that these classes can be used in public sector and private sector use cases. And Echosec is just one tool within the vast toolbox that Flashpoint now has when it comes to intelligence outcomes. And while the data is incredibly important, and I don't want to beat around the bush here, Flashpoint has the best data in the industry. I think what's really going to allow customers to realize the value from that data is adding very usable workflows on top of it to support intelligence outcomes. And where Echosec comes in is best in industry usability and workflows. So you're combining the best data with the best workflows to really get a platform that delivers or drives intelligence deliverables that can be actioned.
OSINT's important because anyone with a smartphone can document their surroundings and upload it to the web for public consumption. And so open source data, it gives us hundreds of millions in-field sensors to help understand the scope, the position, and the nature of key threats. The Russia-Ukraine war has really shown us that OSINT is the new and critical frontier in actionable intelligence. At the bottom, there's a quote from Jennifer Eubank, who's a deputy director over at the CIA. And I really like this quote because I think it kind of validates a lot of what we're seeing on the ground, which is OSINT is the int of first resort, informing every aspect of the intelligence community's mission. And this narrative is really supported by the data, where reporting shows that over 80% of agency intelligence reports at DIA are based on unclassified open source data rather than traditional classified human or SIGINT data. We're hearing from our customers that OSINT data and social media data in particular is just indispensable to both physical security and cybersecurity teams. More than ever, an active OSINT strategy, it saves money and protects companies' key people, places, and assets with less costs and higher accuracy than the traditional methods. The intention of this acquisition is that Flashpoint will be able to deliver an even more complete 360-degree view of the full threat landscape based on a combination of closed source, open source, and other key intelligence classes aligned to the pillars that I presented earlier on in this chat. We really do anticipate that Echosec will form the backbone of a true physical security focused module and product that delivers value to commercial and corporate enterprises focused on physical security, as well as national government and law enforcement, DoD and IC customers that are using Echosec and Flashpoint products on a daily basis. And so a lot of really exciting things that we're looking to build off of over the next number of quarters. And we definitely encourage the team to stay tuned and excited to continue presenting more as we and Echosec continue to integrate.